Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my new video. Today I wanna share you about what is web hosting. So now get started. Turn on Google search engine and type web hosting and hit enter. What is web hosting? A web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that hosts websites for clients, i.e., it offers the facilities required for them to create a maintain a site and makes it accessible on the World Wide Web. Companies providing web hosting service are something called web host. Wikipedia. There are many websites for web hosting. Click one. Powerful servers, simple pricing, premium hosting at fair price tag. View server, Intel Xenon E3, Intel Xenon E3, Intel Xenon E3. There are many websites. Web hosting special offer. Click on 90% off special platform. Special promotion standard web hosting only $1 for 3 months. Web hosting service standard web hosting, reseller hosting, ASP Nest hosting, boot web hosting, email hosting, ePanel hosting, non-profit hosting, student web hosting, web builder, website builder, e-commerce, blog hosting. VPS and cloud. VPS home, Windows VPS, WordPress VPS, Backpass, WebBoost VPS, storage, ePanel VPS, Debian VPS, CentOS VPS. There are many VPS here. Another website, cloud web hosting service, that is Google server. Click on deploy solution. Google Cloud web hosting. Don't have a domain name or website? Secure your domain name, get a business email address, build your website without code, and set up online ads. Click to deploy solution. Deploy a complete web service stack with solution from Google Cloud Marketplace. Choose from 100 click to deploy solution. User contents, static website, dynamic website. Ready to host your website in cloud? Get started with $300 in free credits. So bye bye.